Hello everybody, it's Handyman Bruce, and I am here at a rental house today. Got a water heater that's out. The pilot won't stay lit, but the pilot's really low, they're telling me. So let's check it out, see what we can figure out. All right, so there's the burner assembly and the pilot. Let's see if we could light this thing here. There we go. So you can see that small pilot right there. The pilot is really low, so I'm thinking that's the problem. When I let up on the valve, the pilot goes out. But I don't think it's the thermocouple, because what I did is I used my little flame here to heat up the thermocouple, and it stayed on. So I think the problem is that the pilot's too low to even keep the thermocouple warm. So let's see if that's true. Now we're going to undo that little screw in there that holds the pilot assembly onto there. And then we're going to undo the nut here that holds the gas tube for the pilot into the gas valve. Before we do that, let's go ahead and shut the gas off to be safe. I'm not going to be able to show this with the camera, but we got a little stubby screwdriver. We're going to get in here, reach my arm in there. We're going to unscrew that screw right there. I'll take it out and I'll show it to you. All right, there's the pilot assembly right there, and the thermocouple is still attached. If we need to, we can disconnect the thermocouple out of here to get some more working space, but I don't think I'm going to need it. I'm going to try cleaning that out there and see if I can blow through this line, put it back in, see if we can get a much stronger pilot. Okay, we've got the pilot assembly screwed back in there. You can see those two screws there I attached it with. I've got this threaded here, tightened on there. Let's turn the gas valve back on, and let's see what we get here. Okay, now we're gonna hold down the pilot. Okay, and now let's see what we get. If my theory's right, we're going to get a much stronger pilot this time. Let's turn the light off again. Oh yeah, that's much better. In fact, I can even hear it stronger. Sweet. Okay, let's let that run for a few seconds here. All right, I released the button. So now let's see if we can get our burner to light. Sure did. That pilot is a lot stronger now. I think we just solved our problem. So if you're curious what I did, I used just a little bit of brake cleaner on the end where the pilot light comes out, right at the tip. Then I just blew through it with my mouth through that tube, so worked pretty well. The way to get that clog out, just send it on through. I think we've solved our problem. So I hope this helps you guys to know that sometimes repairs are pretty simple and you can avoid that big expense. So you do-it-yourselfers, I hope this helps you take care of a problem at your house. Again, as I've said before, we're all about helping families. We hope this helps your family to stay home more and enjoy your home more That's why our slogan is bringing your family home. Please subscribe to our channel so you can be notified if we send out more videos. In fact, if there's a logo on the screen, sometimes it moves around on me. I don't know why it does that. But if there's a little logo in the corner, just click on that logo. It'll automatically subscribe you to our channel. Also, like the video and just comment down below. Say, hey, this really helped me. I appreciate it. Or, man, my water heater wasn't anything like this. You might have one of those newer type water heaters that is more energy efficient, doesn't have an accessible door like that, but maybe you solved the problem a different way. You can leave a comment there that might help somebody. So please comment and keep the discussion going. Thanks, guys.